One of the most valuable commodities in the world is energy. And the thing about energy is contagious, whether we like it or not. Everybody that we associate ourselves with and hang out with, there will be an exchange of energy. They will receive some of your energy and you will get some of theirs, whether you like it or not. It's just how it works. And the thing is that, as humans, we're social creatures. We're tribal creatures. We like to socialize, and we like to have companions for emotional support. And that is where it can get tricky, because sometimes we end up settling for what we can get, and we don't realize what's going on. And before you know it, you've been a man that's on your journey, all kinds of goals, dreams, ambitions, loaded with energy, and you let the wrong woman into your life, and they can suck the life and the energy out of you, physically and metaphorically. And that is why it's better to walk alone. Sometimes it's just better to walk alone than to be with somebody and to continue on a relationship with somebody that is toxic. That is deep down inside is just going to be trouble for you. Maybe they're good in bed, but they're dramatic. They bring drama in your life. They like to fight with you and pick at you, and they really have nothing more to offer you than a pretty face and some sex. But they have nothing more to offer you than that, and the cost of it is going to be an exchange of energy that is going to cost you dearly, like a credit card. You're going to be able to, you think you're fine, but then all of a sudden, eventually, you're going to have to pay back the expense plus interest. And that cost, that expense, could end up being your entire life, throwing piss down the toilet, or your dreams, just like that. Your biggest dream, your life goal, bye-bye. And so you got to be very protective and cautious of your energy, and know that it's okay. It's better to walk alone and to be alone, to be like an elephant or a lion roaming through the jungle solo, alone, than to be with a leech that is literally sucking the life out of the energy out of you. And I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. You have, maybe somebody, or you've had somebody in your life that, you had you emotionally pair bonded with them, and and enough time had gone by, enough sex, and before you know it, even though you knew it wasn't good, you got emotionally attached to this person, and you're trying to make things work, or just be friends with benefits, or whatever. But this person is going to suck the life out of you, and they're going to suck the energy, and it's better to just cut them off and to go solo. Be a man, go on your own way, go on your own journey, because it's truly better to go along. You'll have more peace and happiness in your life, and more fulfillment and enlightenment, and you'll be richer with health, happiness, peace, finances, than you will be maintaining a relationship with this toxic person, this low vibrational energy person. That's how it really works. If you want to get into the metaphysical aspect of it, is a vibrational energy. Vibrational energy is key. That's why we feel more comfortable around certain people. And most of society vibrates at a very low vibrational energy. And you can feel more comfortable hanging out with low vibrational energy people than you can with people that vibrate too high, because then you might start to compare yourself when you're not yet ready to be or you're not comfortable yet not to put yourself, to surround yourself with those types of people, even though it's good for you. And so, not getting too off topic here, I digress, but understand that the women that come into your life, they have a vibrational energy as well. And that vibrational energy, like I said, whenever you are hanging out with people, there is an exchange, and especially being with somebody that you're going to be in a physical, intimate relationship, there's a huge exchange of energy. And that's why a lot of times after, a fun one-night stand with a hottie, you can feel just absolutely drained and totally disempowered the next day, even though you had one night stand with some hottie, because you don't understand what's going on. But what happened was that, like a credit card, they just made you take out a loan against yourself. And so you got to be very cautious of that, guys, and just know that speaking from experience and from people that I've worked with, that it's much better to walk alone than it is to continue on a relationship with a toxic person. I know as men, we're helpers, we're providers. We like to think that we can help and we can protect, and so sometimes we like to think that we can elevate this person. But that's not how it typically works. They gotta want to help themselves, and you'll know if it's the type of person that truly wants to help themselves. But a lot of them are like a drowning person. They want to just pull whoever is next to them and by them right down with them. So guys, be careful. It's okay to cut people out of your life, women and so forth, out of your life permanently, regardless of the sex or how hot they are. Be protective of your energy, because like I said in the beginning, energy is arguably one of the most valuable commodities in this world. So be protective of it. It's better to walk alone than it is to walk with someone that is gonna suck the energy and the life out of you.